To integrate Bill4Time with Xero, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Bill4Time account and a Xero account. As this integration requires both, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the integration page, where you will find the Xero option. Click on the Xero option and you will be redirected to the Xero website to authorize the connection. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to Bill4Time, where you can configure the integration settings. Here, you can choose which accounts to sync, such as invoices, payments, and clients. It is essential to map your Bill4Time accounts to the corresponding Xero accounts to ensure a seamless sync. After configuring the settings, click on the Sync button to initiate the integration process. Bill4Time will sync your data with Xero, and you can view the sync status in real time. If there are any errors during the sync process, Bill4Time will notify you and provide instructions on how to resolve the issues. To get the most out of the Bill4Time Xero integration, it is crucial to regularly review and reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy. You can do this by running reports in both Bill4Time and Xero to verify that the data matches. Additionally, make sure to update your integration settings whenever you make changes to your accounts or add new clients. Best practices for the Bill4Time Xero integration include setting up automatic syncs to ensure your data is always up to date, using the integration to streamline your invoicing and payment processes, and taking advantage of Xero's accounting features to gain insights into your business's financial performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize the benefits of the Bill4Time Xero integration and improve your business's efficiency and productivity.